This is our Brownie Black Forest Trifle. It's so good. Okay guys, we're gonna make a Brownie Black Forest Trifle. During holidays, I love to make a trifle because it can be beautiful and doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, we're gonna follow the exact box directions. Okay. So now we need 1/4 cup of water, but instead of water, I'm going to use 1/4 cup of tart cherry juice. Okay, we're just going to pour it right in. And you can just use water if you don't have tart cherry juice. All right, now we need 1/3 cup of cooking oil. Now we need 1 egg. We have preheated our oven to 325 degrees. And this is the double chocolate. It includes chocolate chips. It's an 8 by 12. And we're just going to go ahead and pour this in. Okay, we're going to go ahead and scrape our bowl really good. This is a quick but beautiful dessert. This is great to take somewhere. You know, all the churches have a great potluck or something right before Easter. This is great to take. We're just going to kind of, we're going to just make sure that it's even. Okay, we're going to bake these for about 40 minutes. We're going to make homemade whipping cream. Okay, we need 1 cup of whipping cream. And I think this should be enough. Or should I do 2? Let's do 2. Okay, I've got some baking sugar here. This is a little bit more finer. So just going to use it. And we're going to start out, we're probably going with 2 cups. We're probably going to need about 6 tablespoons. Okay, I'm going to stop right here and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Ooh, that looks good. Very airy, fluffy. Oh, and you know we're going to try this. Oh my gosh. We can skip the cake and just eat this. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to cover this with a little bit of plastic wrap, stick it in the refrigerator while our rest of our cake is cooking in the oven, the brownies. This is so simple. And you can use Cool Whip if you want to. All right, so we took them out of our pan. We put them on our cooling rack. And we're going to let these completely cool. Because we don't want to put them in there hot, that whipped cream will melt. We want this a completely cool brownie. And now we are going to get started in making the best Brownie Black Forest Trifle ever. We're going to take and turn this brownie over. Okay, so we're going to take our brownie and we're just going to cut it in little cubes. We have our brownies, our whipped cream, our homemade whipped cream. We have some cherry pie filling. So, and some chocolate syrup. Okay, we're just going to dollop just a little bit of our whipped cream right on the bottom. Just kind of smooth it around just a little. Now we're going to put in our brownie. And if it falls apart or if it's not perfect, it doesn't matter because it is a trifle. Okay, now we're going to just put in our little pie filling. And we're going to build this taller and taller. And now we're going to put in some whipped cream. Our brownie. Okay. Now we're going to top it with our cherry pie filling. Okay. Now we're going to layer in some more whipped cream. My bowl gets bigger as we go up. Now we're going to top in our brownies. And I'm just going to kind of break these apart because we want a little bit of brownie for all of this. So if I break it up, when you dig in, it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. Okay. And if you've got any crumbs, just kind of put it right on there. Okay, now we're going to take the rest of our pie filling. We're just going to kind of spread it out. Now we're going to take our whipped cream, and I hope I don't have to make another one, but I may have to. Okay, I went ahead and made a little bit more whipped cream. So we're just going to put it right on top. Finish this off. I just didn't want to leave it plain. Okay, now we're going to just drizzle on a little bit of the chocolate. So now I'm going to take a can. We put on our chocolate syrup. We're going to take one small can of pie filling, of cherry pie filling. This is just a small can. And we're going to spread it out on top, right in the middle of that Cool Whip. And that little cherry swirl on there, on that Cool Whip, it just looks so beautiful. Okay guys, this is our Brownie Black Forest Trifle. Are we going to try this? You bet we are, right now. Okay guys, we are going to try this trifle. And we definitely want a brownie. And it does taste better once it's set in the refrigerator for a couple hours. It is really the bomb. We're going to get that brownie, that cherry pie filling, and that homemade whipped cream. Yes. It's so good. That homemade whipped cream. That you get enough cherries. You can never get enough cherries. Like when you get a banana split or something like that. You never can get enough cherries. This has enough. I'm gonna just put this in the fridge and let it chill for about 2 hours. You know, this year things have changed up just a little bit. I decided that tonight I'm not going to do a Sunday dinner. I am doing a dinner, but I have decided to break it up Sunday through Thursday night. There will be a video every single night at 6 p.m. and I'm going to be sharing all my favorite things that that I would be making for Easter or for this Sunday dinner. So my dad is having surgery this week, and it's a pretty serious surgery. So I decided I would just do 5 straight days and share with you each recipe of the dinner. And you guys are the best. And I thought, well, you know what, I'm just going to break it up for you and let it be easy and spend a little bit of time with you every day this week. You guys are the best audience on YouTube. You guys go, have a wonderful, wonderful day. And please watch Monday through Thursday with all the great dishes that I'm making for this Sunday dinner.